Hey, good morning. I'm just going to go through a few more examples with you. I am going to post these on Google Classroom. So if you want to go through these, solve them first and then go back and check your answers, you can do that, or however you choose to do it, you can do it with me. All right, so first question. Best Buy is having a 20% off sale on all of their TVs. If the TV you want to purchase costs $575, what would the new total price be after the discount? Okay, so we're going to set this one up. Okay, we have 20% off. So 20% out of 100. And we're trying to find the new price if it originally costs $575. Since that's our original cost, we're going to put that as our whole. Okay? And then we're going to cross multiply and divide. So 575 times 20 equals 1,500. We're going to take that and divide by 100. Get $115. Now, this price is our discount. Okay, we're not looking for how much our discount is. We want to know the new total price. So we have to take $575 and subtract our discount of $115. And we get $460 is the new price after the discount. Okay, so let's look at the next one. You were shopping for a new pair of jeans, and the jeans cost $49.99. If the sales tax is 8.5%, what is the cost of the jeans? Okay, so this one we're adding sales tax in, and when we went through our notes the other day, we said that sales tax was an increase, or we were going to add our numbers. I'm going to mark it as an increase. Okay, so I'm going to set this one up the same way I just did. 8.5 out of 100. Okay, which is x over $49.99. Okay, and then I'm going to cross multiply 8.5 times $49.99. And I get 424, because I'm going to round that 9.915 or 915 thousandths to 92 hundredths. Okay, and I'm going to take this answer and divide by 100. Okay, again, I'm going to take a round because we're talking money. Money's always out of the hundredths place and not the thousandths, or in this case, the 10 thousandths. So $4.25. This is our tax amount. This is not what it's asking us. It's asking us what is the cost. Okay, that means we have to add the tax in. So $49.99 plus $4.25 gives us $54.24. Okay. Here's our next example. The Wheelers' bill at a restaurant is $63.17. So that's their bill. Approximately how much money should Mr. Wheeler leave as a tip if he plans to tip 15%? Okay, so we're going to set this one up. 15% out of 100. Okay, and our total bill is 63. $17. We're looking for that tip amount. Okay, now again, we're going to cross multiply 15 times 63, 17. 947.55 divided by 100. Now we're talking money again, and again I have 10,000, so I'm going to round to my nearest hundred. So $9.48. Okay, let's make sure we've answered the question. How much money should he leave as a tip if he plans to tip 15%? So we're not adding this one back in. This one is just how much is our tip amount. Okay, here's our next one. The Smith family just finished eating dinner at Chili's. The total for their meal was $43.19. If there is a 4.5% food tax and an 18% tip that's included, what is the amount paid by the Smith family? Okay, so we've got two steps. First step is we've got to find 4.5%. This is a tax. And then we've also got to do this 18% tip. Okay, and this is our total cost. Now, typically, when you're working out problems like this, you're going to have your total cost, and that's what your tip is going to be added to before sales tax. So I'm going to use that $43.19 for both of these different percentages. Okay, so we're going to start with the tax. I've got 4.5% out of 100. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and set up for my tip. Okay, my tip, 18 out of 100. And then when I'm finished, I'm going to add all three of these numbers together because we're trying to find out the total amount paid. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to cross multiply 4.5 times 43.19. I get $194. I'm just going to write that down. Take that and divide by 100. And I got $1.94. So sales tax, this is my tax, is $1.94. Okay. Now I'm going to do my tip amount. Okay, again, I'm still cross multiplying. Divide that by 100. And I get $7.77 for my tip amount. And then I'm just going to add all three of these numbers together to get my final answer. Okay, so I'm going to take do it up here at the top. $43.19 plus tax, which is $1.94, plus tip, which is $7.77. 43.19 plus $1.94 plus $7.77 gives us $52.90. So this is their total bill, including tax and tip. Okay, here's our next one. Okay, a jacket has a regular price of $60. It is on sale for $10 off. The sales tax is 8%. What is the total cost of the jacket? Okay, so this one, we've got our regular price, we got our sale price, our discount amount. So this, of course, is going to be a decrease. So this again is two steps. So we're going to decrease it by 10% and then add our sales tax in. Okay, so 10 out of 100. Okay, we're going to cross multiply 10 times 60 and divide that by 100. Okay, so 10 times 60 divided by 100 is $6, so our discount is $6. Okay, so our price before discount is going to be 60 minus 6, which is $54. Okay, now when we're working with sales tax and it's not related to tip and stuff, you're going to add your sales tax after you take the discount. Okay, so our second ratio is going to be 8 out of 100, and 54 is our new original amount, okay, because we're using our discounted price to add our tip to it, right? So 8 times 54 divided by 100 gives me $4.32. Okay, so I'm going to take this. This was our discounted price. Sales tax is an increase. So I have to add $4.32 to that. And I get, let's try that again, $58.32 is the total cost we'll pay after the discount and adding our sales tax in. Okay, that is our last example. You guys, again, I'm always available Zoom, 2:15 to 2:30. If you have any questions, you can also email me, and I will see you later. Have a great day.